Hello everyone. In this video you have been given this nice equation: square root of x plus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 32, and we have to find the value of x. So let's get started. First of all, I'll isolate x. So we have square root of x plus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 32. So what I will do is that I will subtract square root of 2 from the both sides of the equation. So we have minus square root of 2 over here, and then minus square root of 2 over here as well. So this square root of 2 will take care of this negative square root of 2. So we have square root of x is equal to square root of 32 minus square root of 2. Right, so I'm going to square both sides of the equation. So we have square root of x squared is equal to square root of 32 minus square root of 2 squared. So this will take care of this. So we have x is equal to square root of 32 minus square root of 2 all squared. Now let me show you the easiest way to expand this binomial. Let's say we have a minus b all squared, and we have to expand. This is the same as you take this a, then you square it. So we have a squared, then you multiply this a and this negative b, which is negative ab, then you multiply by the exponent over here, which is equal to minus 2ab. Then you square this minus b. Minus b squared is positive b squared. So we are going to use this idea to expand this. So here we have, I'll copy my x down. So square root of 32 squared is the same as 32. Then I'll multiply this square root of 32 and this square root of 2. Then I'll multiply by these 2. So we have minus 2 into square root of 32 times this 2. Right. Then I will square this negative square root of 2, and this one gives me positive 2. Right. So from here, our x is equal to 32 plus 2 is equal to 34, then minus 2 into square root of 32 times 2 is equal to 64. Right. So I will simplify this further. Our x is equal to 34 minus 2 into square root of 64 is equal to 8. Right. So our x is equal to 34 minus 2 times 8 is equal to 16. And then our x is equal to 34 minus 16 is equal to 18. So guys, this is the value of x. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also tap on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.